This video is brought to you by Saraswati Vidyalaya Union. And hi, this is Prapti. Today we are going to study about the non-cyclic photophosphorylation from the chapter Photosynthesis and differences between cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Now let's see.
In the last lecture we have seen about the cyclic photophosphorylation. Now we are going to study about the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In this non-cyclic photophosphorylation, two photosystems are involved. First one that is known as the photosystem second, so which absorb the wavelength, that is 600 nm of wavelength of light, and first photosystem which absorb the 700 nm of light. Okay, so in this process two photosystems are involved. Now as we have already seen, non-cyclic photophosphorylation means what? So non-cyclic means whatever the electron is emitted from this photosystem, so that the same electron is not coming back to the same photosystem. Okay, in cyclic what we have seen, in cyclic that electron which is emitted from this photosystem, that electron come back to the same photosystem. Okay, but in the non-cyclic the process is not like that. In the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, see, this is the photosystem second is there. This photosystem second which absorb this light, which absorb the photon. This photosystem second absorb this light energy. They transfer this accessory pigments are there. This accessory pigment transfer this light energy towards this chlorophyll A. Then this chlorophyll A undergoes the photoexcitation, and due to the photoexcitation, so this chlorophyll A emits this electron. So this electron which is present, that electron, it is energy rich electron. This electron transferred towards the plastoquinone through the coenzyme Q. Okay, so that electron, that is the energy rich electron, then from that plastoquinone that electron get transferred towards the cytochrome B6. From that cytochrome B6 it transferred towards the cytochrome F. But remember this one, this electron which is the energy rich electron, this electron is using its energy for the formation of ATP. So whatever the energy which is present in that electron, so that energy get utilized for the formation of ATP. So then that electron becomes what? Then that electron becomes the de-energized electron. Then that de-energized electron transport towards the plastocyanine. Then this plastocyanine transport this electron towards the next photosystem. It is not transporting towards the same photosystem. So this de-energized electron from the plastocyanine, it transport towards this photosystem 1. Okay. At the same time, this photosystem 1 which absorb the light energy. So this accessory pigment which absorb the photons and they transfer this photon towards this chlorophyll A, which having the 700 nm wavelength of light. Then this chlorophyll A emits electron. So that electron which is emitted here, that electron, it is also the energy rich electron. Then that electron transfer towards the ferroxide through ferroxide reducing substance. So that energy rich electron transfer towards the NADP. Okay, but afterward here this electron transfers here. But afterward here what happened, that NADP is there, that NADP which convert into the NADPH2. But how it get converted into the NADPH2? Because here what happened in this non-cyclic photophosphorylation, one important step takes place, that is known as the photolysis of water. Or you can say that is known as the breaking of water molecules. So here these water molecules are there. This water molecule, by the splitting of this water molecule, there is the formation of 4 electrons as well as 4 hydrogen. Okay, so here 4 protons, 4 electrons is producing. See this, in this square I have already explained the photolysis of water. During this photolysis of water, that oxygen is evolved. Means 4 electrons produces, 4 OH means 4 hydrogen atoms produces, and then oxygen is also evolved. This oxygen enters into the atmosphere and this hydrogen is there. So that 4 hydrogen and it binds to this NAD. And then it forms the NADPH2. Okay, and then whatever the electrons are produces from this photolysis of water, then that electron transport towards this photosystem second. See here, the electron is not the same electron which is emitted here. This electron is the different one. So, what are the characteristics of this non-cyclic photophosphorylation? Pay attention. Now here, how many electrons it emits? 4 electrons. Okay. So here ATP, one ATP molecule produces, NADPH2 produces. In this process, there is the photolysis of water takes place. Then in this, 2 photosystems are involved. And one more characteristic is there. So that is the electron which is emitted from one photosystem, that electron do not come back to the same photosystem. So this is about the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Okay. Now the next thing is there. Now we'll see about the comparison, or you can see the distinguishing point between the non-cyclic photophosphorylation and cyclic photophosphorylation. See here, in this cyclic photophosphorylation, only one photosystem is present. So in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, 2 photosystems are present, photosystem second, photosystem 1. Okay, in the cyclic photophosphorylation, the electron which is emits from this photosystem, so that same electron comes towards the same photosystem. But in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, this electron which is emitted from the photosystem, that electron is not coming towards the same photosystem. In this, only 1 electron molecules get involved. Here 4 electrons. In the cyclic photophosphorylation, 2 ATP molecules produces. In the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, only 1 ATP molecule produces. In the cyclic photophosphorylation, there is no NADPH2. Okay, but in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, there is the NADPH2 produces. Okay, then in this cyclic photophosphorylation, there is no photolysis of water. There is no breaking of water molecules. But in this non-cyclic photophosphorylation, there is a breaking of the water molecule. Okay, then in this cyclic photophosphorylation, there is no evolving of oxygen. That oxygen is not evolved in this process, but you can observe this oxygen is evolved in this process. Okay, so these are the distinguishing points between the cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation.
See, in this given slide, I have given information about the differences between the cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Prapti Vanzare. Thank you.